guys, it's Whitney. Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to bring you guys my modern farmhouse bedroom makeover on a budget. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made a DIY window pane for my bedroom, and I'm going to be sharing a ton of farmhouse decor inspiration. I really love how this space turned out, so let me know in the comments section what you guys think, and we're just going to jump right into the video. And I'm actually going to start out by repainting this accent wall that I had in our bedroom. We have this same color in our living room, and I love it down there because there's so much light down there already that it doesn't make the room feel small and dark. But for whatever reason, the accent wall in our bedroom just makes the space really dark and small, and I just wasn't loving it anymore. So I did decide to paint this wall the same colors as all of the other walls in this room, and the color that I'm using is Repost Gray by Sharon Williams. Now, I did have to do 2 coats of this paint just because the wall underneath of it was a darker color, but when we originally painted all of the walls in this room, it only took 1 coat. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. I'm going out with you tonight. So here is a little overview of my room before we got into the makeover portion of the video. Of course, it's not a true before shot because the room was messy, but I decided to incorporate a little cleaning motivation in this video as well. I'm going to start by cleaning up the room, taking all of the clothes off of the floor, putting some clothes away, and just getting things clean in here so that I can go in and decorate. I'm also going to be taking off all of the old sheets and bedding that are on the bed right now because I did get all new sheets for this video, so they weren't needed. But I'm glad you're here. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Though I want your touch. Now I'm going to go in really quickly and clear off the TV stand and the 2 nightstands that we have in here. I had all kinds of random stuff out, and everything just needed to get put away and put back in their place to make this room look nice and tidy. And And then once everything is cleared off, again, I'm just going to quickly go in and wipe them down with a wood cleaner. And here I am just using the 7th generation wood cleaner. It smells really, really good, and I love the way that it makes my wood pieces look and feel.
Told me more than once to show you.
So now we're gonna get into the good part. We're gonna get into the decorating portion of the video, and I'm actually gonna start out by switching out the old bed skirt that I have on my bed. So I'm gonna move the mattress up and out of the way so that I can take the bed skirt off and put on this new one. Now, everything that you see in this video, for the most part, is from Amazon, just because with COVID happening, none of the stores were open that I would usually shop at. So I did find some really great items off of Amazon. Everything will be linked in the description box below.
If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
So now I'm just going to put the mattress back on, and I'm going to take the sheet off and adjust the little mattress pad that we have on here. I like to do this every few months so that way we're not flattening out the same exact spots every time, and it just gives the bed a new feel to it when we're laying down at night.
Never to be said.
So now I'm going to begin to make the bed, and like I had mentioned, I got new sheets off Amazon, and you guys, these were so soft. I was really impressed with the quality of these, and they were really inexpensive. Again, I will have everything linked down below in case you guys are interested. Now, I did move over onto the floor to put on all of the pillowcases because I have tons of pillows going on this bed, and my husband was actually kind of annoyed because he thinks throw pillows are really pointless, and I ended up getting even more pillows than we had before, so he was not happy about that. But I do love all of the big, soft, beautiful pillows that are going to be going on this bed. I'm so excited for you guys to see it.
Searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. 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 Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I
Now, you guys are gonna think this is really weird, but I'm gonna make the bed before I get into the decorating portion, especially the DIY window pane. And I only do this because I need to see the height of the pillows in comparison to the wall, so that way I know where to put the window pane. And you guys, these window panes were so easy and inexpensive to make. I will leave directions on how I made them in the description box below, so that way you guys can get exact measurements of everything and exactly what to do. I wish I had shown you guys how I made this window pane in this video, but I did originally make this for our hallway downstairs because I had something else that I was going to put up here instead, but I ended up loving it above our bed, so that is why I have no footage of that.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves.
So now I'm gonna get into the rest of the decorating, and I'm gonna be decorating our end tables. These lamps I actually got from Walmart, and they were only $24 a piece. Super beautiful in person. I love the quality of these lamps, and I think they really tie the room together. I did chalk paint these little mason jars that you see here with white chalk paint, and the greenery is from Walmart as well.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better.
I got this cute little clock from Amazon. I just think it added a nice contrast and touch to this little corner. And now I'm going to be styling a tray here on my bed. I got this throw off Amazon. I loved that it was more of a beige color and a nice little contrast against the white, and also tied in that tan pillow that I have on the bed. And then I got the tray from Walmart, which I really love this tray. I want to get one for the downstairs. The potted eucalyptus plant is from Target, and then I just grabbed some old books and this little candle that I had and put it all together. And then the last thing that I'm going to be doing in this video is vacuuming, because I feel like that just brings the whole room together. It's a nice, fresh, clean carpet. And I am actually going to put some of this Aunt Fanny's lemon scented carpet refresh all over the carpet. I let it sit for a few minutes and then I vacuumed it up, and it really made the room smell amazing. You guys, that is going to be it for this modern farmhouse DIY makeover. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some inspiration, whether you are redoing your bedroom or maybe just looking for some decor inspo. I hope that this inspired you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.